Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about the Miracle Cleaner. This is supposed to be doing miracles in your tub and your showers, so we are going to put it to the test today. I'm going to show you what I have. So it's pretty much just white vinegar and the Dawn dish soap. It has to be the blue one apparently. So we're gonna test that out. And then to mix it, I have my measuring cup here. I picked this one because it's gonna be easier to pour into this bottle right here, which we're gonna be using to spray in the tub. I'm excited to see how this is gonna work. So this little thing here is a little scrubby. A lot of people use it for dishes, but you can use it for anything. So we're gonna fill it up as well. Now the problem is this thing leaks. So if you want to keep it in your shower for quick use after your showers or your bath time, I guess, you can keep it in the shower, but just be sure you have it upright so it does not leak all over your shower or your tub. So let's go ahead and start the measuring. So we are going to be needing 1 cup of vinegar. I'm gonna measure out 1 cup. And then I'm gonna pour it in the bottle. Then we're gonna do the soap. It says you could do 1 cup as well for the soap. There you go. And then I'm gonna pour that in there. If you make a little mess, that is okay. Like so. And then we are gonna cover this up and give it a good shake. And that's how it looks. It just turned into a light blue. So I ended up changing my spray bottle, but any spray bottle will work. My other one was not, the nozzle was not working, so I had to put it into this. So anyways, I just wanted to show you all the water marks that are on the tub, on the faucet here and over here. And apparently this is supposed to take it off so effortlessly. So we're gonna try that. And then I'm gonna spray my whole tub. Excuse the, it's disgusting. So I'm gonna show you. I got all that. I gotta clean off, and then my kids had a bath last night, so that's why it looks like this. I did not clean it because I knew I was gonna show you guys today about the Miracle Worker. And then over there, it's just a lot in there. So I'm gonna spray the tub and I'm gonna leave it sitting for 1 hour. And this is supposed to be so easy to rinse off. It's supposed to take off everything. So I'm gonna see how that works out. But in the meantime, I wanna spray this, and I wanna see if it actually takes off the watermarks. Okay, so so as you can see, I coated it very good. And then I'm just using my sponge to see if it actually makes it shiny. I guess the sponge is not ideal to use. You could use a cloth, but you can see it makes it pretty shiny in there. So yeah, and this is just after not even a minute of me spraying it, so I can only imagine how it will work if I let it sit for a while. So I'm gonna spray that again. I'm gonna spray the whole tub, and we are gonna leave it sitting for quite a bit, and then I guess we're just supposed to rinse it off, and the vinegar and the Dawn is supposed to work and just pretty much clean off everything. Okay, so I have sprayed pretty much the whole tub. I am going to let it sit for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna spray it, and we're gonna see how this is gonna work. Is it really the miracle worker? We'll check it out soon. Okay, so it's been about an hour and I am ready to rinse it off. So this is how it looks currently. I'm curious to see if it's truly gonna take off everything. So I'm using my sponge here, and without too much effort, honestly, look at that. Everything just comes off. So this is pretty awesome. Okay, so this is how it turned out. It is pretty shiny, I must say. The watermarks definitely came off, and then for the tub itself, it came out pretty good. I had a yellow spot right here that I had to use this side of the sponge to scrub it off a little bit more, and I had a few more around here, but they are gone. It definitely didn't require me scrubbing a lot. I like it. I must say it works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it's a cleaner that's gonna make your life easy. It's very simple. Just the Dawn soap and the vinegar. It is honestly the miracle worker.